One of the most common questions I get is how to preset the forward and reverse takeoff gears. It's the same sequence in most Massey tractors regardless of the age, if they're fairly current. So let's run you through it now. Okay, to start the sequence, we're going to put our foot on the clutch. We're going to put the shuttle into forwards. If we need to raise the preset gear, we'll hold it forwards, and we'll hold the trigger on our power shift lever and push it forwards. You can see the gears changing up there. Vice versa, if we want it lower, we'll put our foot on the clutch, shuttle into forwards, hold it going slower, trigger on the shuttle, and it's coming down again. Wherever we stop now, every time we take off in forwards or reverse, that's the gear the tractor will select.